To make salsa, first add one 28-ounce or 800-gram can of whole tomatoes to a blender or food processor. Then add 1/2 cup or 25 grams of chopped cilantro and 1/4 cup or 35 grams of chopped onion. Next, place 1 minced garlic clove and 1 chopped jalapeno in the blender and sprinkle 1/2 teaspoon or 2 grams each of cumin and salt over all of the ingredients. Add the juice from half of a lime too for even more flavor. Finally, pulse everything together 4 to 6 times or until the salsa is the consistency you'd like. Refrigerate for 1 hour, then enjoy. If you want to make salsa with fresh tomatoes instead of canned ones, just add 3 cups or 375 grams of chopped Roma tomatoes to the blender in place of the canned tomatoes. Add the other ingredients, pulse everything 4 to 6 times, and you're done.